Hi everyone! So today I'm recreating the avatar look. For the avatar look, I'm using Krylon's water activated body paint. This one you can see how beautifully it glides on my face. So these colors are very gentle on the skin, they just don't harm your skin, and for every look that I create, I just use Krylon. And you can see how beautifully the color comes on my face. So this is the second time I've recreated the avatar look. The first one was, I think, in the lockdown while everybody was super idle and we didn't have anything to do. So there was this very famous influencer who recreated the avatar look, and I thought, why not me? Because I am the avatar. Because ever since the movie Avatar came, everybody was like, oh my god, you resemble Avatar. Oh my god, you're the Avatar from the Avatar. I've been tired of listening to this. So tell me in the comment section if you also think that I resemble the Avatar. So as you can see, I am drawing lines across my face as the Avatar has. I thought of doing the lines from the blue eyeshadow, but I don't know why I ended up doing a black lines on my face. But I think this looks pretty fine. Oh my god, by this time I was super hungry because I've started this makeup look early morning because I have to wind up and do a bride's makeup. I've had a bride at the same day, so I had to finish this look before she comes and before she gets traumatized by my look. So I was in a hurry, so I came early at my salon and did this look. So for drawing the dots across my face, I'm using Inglots white gel liner, and they look very beautiful, and once you see the end result, you love how prominently they shine in dim light. And now comes the toughest part, putting on lenses. This time I was very happy that there was no hassle, no tears. So yeah, you can see how my team, Anamika, Aanchal, Dora, Preeti, everyone has been equally involved in all of my looks and whatever looks I create. So yeah, the credit, apart from me, the credit for every look that I create goes to my team also. So now the look is complete and I'm very happy. Tell me in the comments section if you have really loved my look. Thank you so much, and here it is.